Happy DragCon. Don't touch my hair. Bye.
Okay, say it again. I'm
Can you repeat it? The follow-up question.
Well, some people think that it's okay if there's a haters roast if we're talking to each other, as opposed to them talking to you and being hateful. There's a difference between having a haters roast and the library is open, as opposed to online trolls.
Right.
So the difference is.
The difference is, if we're reading each other, we are sisters, we're friends.
Okay.
But when you're on social media and you are reading us, but you're tearing us down, it's the difference. I can say, oh girl, you know, you look tired, too much glitter or something like that. But when you're on there saying, oh girl, you look a mess and you should do this, you should do this to yourself, something to harm someone, that's the difference.
You can't fight fire with fire. You have to just realize, and it's something to go both ways, that what you see, you don't have to give negativity back to you, just educate people. And when people come at me online, the best thing I can do is collectively and articulately snap back and be like, but who are you? And like, why are you trying to dictate this? Blah, blah, blah. Also, you don't have to say anything back to everyone because you don't owe anybody an explanation.
But when you start bringing other things into it, like race, class, when you start saying things that are not just targeted at one person, but at minorities and big groups of people, you're not just attacking someone, you're attacking a margin. And it's just like, you have to be very, very careful about what you say, because also, we all have several other followers. That person could potentially be someone in your future. And they'll like meet you and be like, oh, you were that girl who said that milk was, and started something really terrible.
Guess who back in the house? Heels click clacking about. Fine, fresh, feminine style to 11. I'm divine, so heavily, gentlemen, sweat lips down across the board, no doubt. Body like wow, she about to get in this trap. Titty so plentiful, fish queen, Jezebel should be criminal. Don't make sense for a bitch. scene.
And feet together.
And when they see
Touch
me,
your leg.
they wanna be me.
Ball
I am a fantasy.
Reach up. Here we go.
Cover girl, put the bass in your walk.
3, 4.
Catch your toe, let your whole body talk. Cover girl, put the bass in.
Very good. Okay, now listen, not to scare you, but I'd like to pull up at least 6 people. So I'm gonna watch y'all do it first. I ain't just gonna pull up a random 6, baby. Y'all gonna be representing Laganja's dance squad. I want it to be represented well. And by well, I do not mean doing the dance moves correctly. I mean the spirit, the energy, the light, the love flowing forward. Okay? Thank you. Can I get an amen? DJ Casey Alvarez with the beat. Noise for them, you guys. Come on. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Stroll down the runway,
Good.
another payday.
Reach up.
Cover of my magazine.
Close. Open the magazine and see.
And when they see me,
And
they
play.
wanna be me.
And reach out.
I am a fantasy.
And up and down. Here you go.
Cover girl,
One
put
forward.
the bass in your walk. Catch your toe, let your whole body talk.
Hey.
Cover girl, put the bass in your walk. Head to toe, let your whole body talk.
Okay, good. Now let me just see. Let me just have right here one.
Stroll down the runway, another payday, cover of magazines. And when they see me, they wanna be me. I am a fantasy. Cover girl, put the bass in your walk. Head to toe, let your whole body talk. Cover girl, put the bass in your walk. Head to toe, let your whole body talk.
Yes! Now, wait a minute. Remember our lines and hold in our stomachs. So as soon as we came on screen, we're like, pregnant times 2. No, but it's so much fun. I mean, the weird thing for me is that everybody thinks it's my movie, but it's actually Coogie's movie. And truly, after watching it, it's Darian Lake's movie. But it's true. Ben de la Creme don't have that. I mean,
No, she was here earlier, but she left. I'm kidding, I sent her home.
she left halfway through the movie. There's a theme.
Robin Turner called her an Uber.
Oh, that was good, Kasha. I never thought you were funny. I got to know, it's much kudos to Matt Kugelman and Derek Hartley who made this magic happen. Anybody who knows me knows I don't read the script, I don't do any research, I just show up and go. So they do all the work, and I'm appreciative that they make it happen, and then I just show up and we do it, and you get surrounded by some really talented people, and Shangela.
Derek, tell us about this process, everybody. Derek.
Tag teaming with Miss Shangy. Miss Shangy. Get these cookies, baby. Get these cookies. I'm here every time. Hungry focus, bitch, I'm here. What's the king, kid?
Here you go.
Who is this? I done stole the mic.
Will you be available if there's another Bianca movie? A Hurricane Bianca
Bitch,
movie?
I'll make sure I'm available. Shit, what the fuck? Girl, I'm the first one out. I'm taking any fucking thing. The ghost of Vanjie.
That would be wonderful.
I want Rachel Dredge to meet Vanjie. Yes, we got high. I'm great. You had a good time. How many people yesterday and today came up to you and said, Miss Angie, Miss Angie, I can't count that high, bitch. Bitch, you know after 10, I'm like, what?
What had happened was...
Who that is?
Who that is?
Right.
Okay, just because you have a captain army, what the hell happened? What did you do there?
Bitch. You know it's good when she starts with bitch. Bitch.
Well, I prepared for everything for the show except for my exit and my mirror message because I didn't think I was going to go home till the first episode happened. Until they pull out that 99-cent card. Then I said, oh, bitch, this might be me, bitch. And then I got to the end of the runway and I said, I didn't know what to say, so I just started saying my name. I heard they thought I was, what's the word when you going through the motion?
Hallucinating?
There was something else I was doing that they thought.
It's probably menopause for me.
I don't know, but bitch, I was going through busting convulsions and I started saying my name repeatedly.
Yeah, that's what happens.
Yeah, like no, there ain't no place like home, bitch.
Well, you're a star now, bitch.